Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 28. Which of the following factors will affect the velocity of sound? A. An increase in the pitch of the sound. B. An increase in the loudness of the sound. C. Wind traveling in the same direction of the sound. D. A change in the atmospheric pressure at constant temperature. So you have sound and factors that affect the velocity of sound. Now, sound specifically, when traveling through air, that is when air is the medium of propagation, the most likely factor to affect the velocity of sound is wind. Okay, so the direction and speed of wind is most likely to affect the velocity of the sound. So for example, if you have sound traveling through air in this direction, okay, and you also have wind blowing in this direction, the velocity of the sound is likely to increase. So what we have just said, wind, is option C. Wind traveling in the same direction of the sound is likely to affect the velocity of the sound. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.